can you tell me your name, please?
I'm Kichohara.
Very good. And where do you live?
I live in Setagaya city in Tokyo.
Oh, do you like Setagaya?
I like Setagaya city because many community. There are many community here. Many community. Many community made safety.
Very, very good. By the way, what do you do? Can you tell me your job?
I run my own company.
You run your own company, so you're the president.
Yes, I'm president.
Very, very good. Okay. So before coming to this seminar, did you think English was difficult?
Yes, I didn't have to speak a chance to speak English a long time, so I cannot speak English, and I didn't make long sentence and many sentence.
But so you came to this seminar, and we've studied for 2 days, right?
Yes.
So do you feel any changes now?
Yes, a big change.
Big change.
Yeah. I think teacher tell me firstly sing in English, in Japanese, and exchange to English. It is important. I think so. I try to clear my brain, and I try to make Japanese and exchange to English. So it is exactly that I'm thinking.
Very, very good. Okay, so after this seminar, do you want to use English, and do you have goal?
I will. I try to expand my business to the world, especially in Asia. So I try to talk directly my customer in foreign countries without translator. I try to communicate with customer about their needs or problem and purpose directly.
Very, very good. Okay, so to do that, what do you have to do? So you want to expand your business to Asia, right? To do that, what do you have to do?
I think now only one. It is difficult to expand. So I made movie and website and animation to explain our machine, and I speak with customer, so customer trust me,
Very, very good. That sounds like a perfect plan. And like next week and the week after that, I'm going to have the same seminar again. So do you have any comments to the people who are coming in the future?
This seminar is big chance to speak long time English. So don't be shy and speak out many times. And Mr. Ohashi is a very good teacher.
Thank you. I think you've done a great job.